Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos, and in today's video I will teach you guys how you guys can curve or also bend your text on Canva. And it's pretty simple, so follow the steps which I'm going to show you guys. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit that subscribe to our channel with notification on, and let's move on. So first, go to canva.com, log in into your account and come to this page, the home page of Canva. So I'm going to show this how to do it on presentation, but the steps are similar if you're on video or an Instagram post or anything. Alright, so I'm going to open a presentation first. Now let's wait for some time until the presentation opens up. Now once the presentation opens up, first I'm going to write a text over here. So in order to write text, press the button T on your keyboard. Once you press the button T on your keyboard, you can click on this little white page and you can write text over here. Alright, so I'm waiting for some time until my page fully loads up so I can show it to you. So I pressed T on my keyboard, and as you guys can see, text has appeared over here. Now what I can do is write anything I want inside this. So I'm going to write, hey, what's up? So this is going to be my text. Now if I want to bend it, what I need to do is, you can see this little option called effects on the top, right? Click on effects, and on effects, it's going to show you multiple effects, but you want to scroll a bit down, and the last option, which is called curve, you want to click on curve. Once you do that, basically your text will be curved, as you guys can see over here. Let me zoom in a bit. As you guys can see, it has been curved. Now you can also choose how much you want to curve. Like over here, once you choose curve, at the bottom you can see the curve meter. You can curve it this much, or you can even curve it like backwards like this. So by playing with this meter, you can choose how much you want to curve your text as well. But yeah, that's how you guys can curve your text on Canva. It's that simple. If you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.